Secure your accounts with two-factor authentication to FA. A step-by-step guide from Bluehole Tech. In today's digital world, cyber threats are everywhere. Hackers are constantly finding new ways to access your personal information, putting your online accounts at serious risk. But what if there was a simple way to add an extra layer of security to protect yourself? Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is a powerful tool that can double your protection by requiring not only your password but a second form of verification. This added layer makes it much harder for cyber criminals to gain access to your accounts. Here at Bluehole Tech, we're dedicated to helping you stay informed and secure in the digital space. In this guide, we'll show you why 2FA is essential for your online security. Have you ever worried about the safety of your accounts? Let us know in the comments below. So, what exactly is two-factor authentication, or 2FA? Simply put, 2FA is a security method that requires two separate forms of identification to verify your identity when logging into an account. The first layer is usually your password. The second could be something you physically have or something only you know. There are different forms of 2FA. You might receive a code via SMS, use an app-based authenticator like Google Authenticator, or even a physical hardware key like YubiKey. As cybersecurity expert Brian Krebs says, two-factor authentication is probably the single most important thing you can do to improve the security of your accounts. At Bluehole Tech, we believe that staying informed about tools like 2FA is key to keeping your digital life secure. Do you currently use 2FA? Share your opinion with us in the comment below. So, how does two-factor authentication actually work? It's simple. First, you enter your password as usual. But instead of just letting you in, the system asks for a second form of verification, something only you have, like a code sent to your phone or generated by an app. This extra step makes it much harder for attackers to gain access, even if they have your password. In fact, Microsoft reported that using 2FA can block 99.9% of automated cyberattacks. That's a huge difference in your online security. At Bluehole Tech, we're here to make sure you understand how to use these tools to protect your digital world. Why is two-factor authentication so important? Research shows that a strong password alone isn't always enough to protect your accounts. According to Google, using 2FA drastically reduces the chances of your accounts being hacked, especially as phishing attacks and data breaches become more common. For both personal and professional accounts, 2FA adds that extra layer of security, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your sensitive information, even if they've somehow gotten hold of your password. At Bluehole Tech, we're all about keeping you informed and secure in the digital world, and understanding the value of 2FA is a key part of that. Do you think your accounts are safe enough with just a password? Let us know in the comments. Now, let's talk about some popular two-factor authentication tools you can use to secure your accounts. First, app-based authenticators like Google Authenticator and Microsoft Authy. These apps generate time-sensitive codes that you enter after your password. They're quick, reliable, and work even when you don't have an internet connection. Then, there are hardware keys like YubiKey, which offer top-level security. These physical keys plug into your device and are almost impossible for hackers to bypass. They're perfect for securing important accounts like your email or online banking. Finally, we have SMS and email-based authentication. These methods send a code to your phone or email. While they're less secure than app-based or hardware options, they still offer basic protection and are better than relying on just a password. At Bluehole Tech, we provide step-by-step guides to help you set up these authenticators and choose the best one for your needs. To get the most out of two-factor authentication, here are some best practices you should follow. Whenever possible, use app-based authentication instead of SMS or email. App-generated codes are more secure because they aren't vulnerable to SIM swapping attacks, which can happen with phone numbers. Security expert Schneier once said, "Security is a process, not a product." This means that using 2FA is just one part of keeping your accounts safe. It's also important to choose the right tools and follow smart practices. At Bluehole Tech, we recommend keeping your 2FA codes secure by never sharing them and using unique, strong passwords alongside your 2FA. Also, regularly review your 2FA settings to make sure everything is up to date. What type of 2FA do you prefer? App-based, SMS, email, or hardware keys? Share your opinions in the comments below.
There you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using two-factor authentication. Whether you're securing personal or professional accounts, 2FA adds an essential layer of protection. At Bluehole Tech, we're committed to helping you stay safe in the digital world. For more detailed guides, step-by-step instructions, and the latest tips on staying secure online, be sure to visit our blog at blueholetech.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Bluehole Tech for more digital tech content. And let us know in the comments what 2FA method will you be using to protect your accounts. Don't forget to check out Bluehole Tech for even more insights.